All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm zoning, somebody should have told her I popped one.
What's up guys, it's Tanisha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these cute, trendy, chunky rings. I posted a picture on Instagram and a bunch of you guys DM'd me saying like, Tanisha, where'd you get them? I love them. Did you make them? So I have like over 1,000 orders in my DM. I'm joking. No need to order from me because I'm gonna show you guys how I made them today. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I have my Makartt Polygel kit here, and then I just have a bunch of sparkles here, gems, and some nail bits for my nail drill. Like I said, these rings are created from Polygel. The technique I'm going to be using is from a nail Instagram. I forget their handle, I apologize, but I believe they're the originators of this. So all they did was they took a nail polish bottle and put polygel around the top and cured it, and boom, it's a ring. But when I saw that technique, I'm like, oh, I could totally make those chunky rings with that technique. So that's where these come from. So I'm gonna set up a second camera so you guys can see what I am doing in my work area. So this is the bottle I'm going to be using. What you're gonna need to do, actually I'm gonna take these rings off just so I can have my hands free. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you guys the things you're gonna need, but it's kind of basic. So you're gonna need a nail polish bottle, a ring, some slip solution. I'm going to be using 100% acetone, and then obviously your lights to cure the polygel, sparkles of your choice, and a drill if you like. So you're gonna need a ring. Make sure it fits all your fingers. Optional depending which finger you want to use. So this ring fits all 4 of my fingers, and it doesn't go into the nail polish bottle, which is good. You don't want something that goes right onto the nail polish bottle because you want some room, because these rings are thick. And then I have my mixing plastic, and then I'm going to be choosing a polygel of my choice to mix the sparkles with the polygel to create a cute sparkly ring. You're gonna need a lot, guys. And I'm just gonna place it on my plastic to mix. You're gonna want something that you're not afraid to get dirty because it gets super sticky with the polygel. I don't really need this box, so that's why I'm using it. So I'm just squeezing out the polygel. It's super hard and thick, so try warming up the bottle before squishing it out. I just have my polygel in my garage, that's why it's kind of cold. And I'm going to be using these pink sparkles that came in the Makartt kit to mix with the ring to create a cute sparkly ring like this one. To mix it all together, I'm just going to be using this plastic spoolie, and I'm going to add some sparkles now. And mix. Once it's all mixed up, oh my gosh, it looks like chewing gum. I'm just going to place it on my nail polish bottle. I'm just gonna go around the rim like so. It looks super messy at first, just ignore. Now I'm going to be using some of my nail polish remover as slip solution, which is basically what's going to mold the ring. And all you're going to do is just smooth out while you're shaping the ring, obviously to what you desire with the thickness of the ring. So I'm back. I look a little different.
Guys, I feel like I've been on the YouTube game for a while to not make this mistake. I did not check myself before filming. I don't know if you guys noticed this until I pointed it out, but literally my lip look is smudged. I will definitely check my lips when I come back to filming next time, so definitely ignore. Just ignore it and keep watching the video.
Anyways, so the heart ring is done. It looks so good. I'm gonna put it on my finger. I'm gonna wear it on my middle finger. This looks so good. Let it focus. There we go. This looks so nice, and with the sparkles, this ring is to die for. Now I'm going to make one more ring for y'all. So we have everything set already. I definitely want a translucent polygel, so let me grab that. So I'm gonna squeeze this all out and start mixing the glitter. This actually doesn't look like it's a lot, so I'm probably gonna have to mix it with another color. So it's probably gonna be like marble. So I'm just trying to squeeze whatever is left onto this little mixing box, and this is so hard to squeeze. I have them in the garage. That is where my nail studio is. So it's extremely cold in here. I'm going to mix it to create like this kind of marble effect. Okay, let's try another color now. Oh, this is like a very... Okay, we'll do this color, guys. I'm actually gonna put this on the base to create the ring base, and then use what I mixed to create the thick kind of decorative piece. Now I'm gonna add the sparkles. So now I'm going to take my brush with a slip solution on it, and I'm just going to pat it to create the ring. There we go, and you guys can see like there's an opening there. That is for where the thick piece is gonna go. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it on top. There we go. With also mixing the colors around to create that marble effect. There we go. Now brush, slip solution, and now we're going to mold. So the ring is done. It's this cute, chunky, square ring. I'm gonna cure it right now. So I'll be back once it's done curing. Okay guys, so I'm done curing the ring. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks when I take it off. All I do is just twist. And sometimes there's still some uncured polygel in the center. All I do is just take the slip solution and the brush and smooth that out, and then cure the inside with the lamp. So the ring is done curing. I'm just going to take my paper towel with acetone on it and just rub it so there's not that sticky film on it. Sometimes it comes off when you sand it or drill it. I just don't like touching it until I'm finished drilling, so I rub it with acetone and that gets that gunk off. So now I'm going to drill it. And we are done. I went ham on this drilling. I'm just going to dust it off. Oh my gosh, guys, look at all that dust. And the ring is done. It is ready for the top coat. Obviously, there's still some like bumpy pieces, but that's the magic of making stuff yourself, and that adds a little authenticness to it. So I am going to cure it and then base coat all of it, and I'm gonna come back when the ring is 100% done. Okay guys, so the ring is done. Oh my gosh, these look so good. This is how it looks. Let me just do my hand so I can focus on my hand. This looks so good. I'm gonna put it with all the new rings that I made. And then we got the heart one in the middle. These look so good. No, I'm not gonna wear them all at once. Actually, maybe, I'm not too sure. They look super cute. So we got the square one, heart and rectangle. These look extremely cute, and obviously you can mix and match and place them obviously wherever. And then I got my old ones. super cute. Yeah, these are how the rings are looking. If you guys enjoyed me creating these chunky rings, please let me know down below, and other videos you guys want to see me do or try out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on all my social medias. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm phoning somebody.